It ain't fun just eating acorns or to train for 4 months straight. When you're not the youngest reindeer that's still pulling Santa's sleigh. And I would like to retire, kick back with the boys in grace. But when that old man says, let's go, my soul stirs and I obey. Sweet wife, say a prayer for me, girl. Say it as I leave the gate. Pray we'll make it one more journey. Pray my nose will lead the way. Pray we'll bring joy to the children. Pray my years will melt away. And I'll feel just like a young buck when the old man grabs the reins. Oh, 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 oh. When the old man grabs the reins. When the old man grabs the reins. Come on, old man, grab the reins. Come on, Santa, grab the reins. Santa, grab those reins. I'm gonna fly this steel bird, yeah.
Santa 1, this is Mission Control. You have achieved cruising altitude and a very pretty takeoff, sir. Navigation report. We hit Nova Scotia in T-minus. Wait a second. What? Well, he's there and gone, sir. 2 minutes ahead of schedule. Woohoo! You demand, Santa.
Sir, call 911, CNN. Can we give a position?
What is this, the 60s? Tell him to point the radar north.
Skip, it's for the children.
Okay, try to help. Navigation report. Dropping into the U.S. over New England. Ooh, New England! 6 months till planned the vacation, gang!
Meteorology reporting in. Emergency, sir.
Snow? So what? This is Santa.
No, meteors.
Santa 1, you have incoming meteors at 41 north to 71. Oh, what? Well, he's already through it. Showing off again. New England is done. Elf 1, this is Elf 1. We are in the air. Talk to me, KK. Why is Elf 1 airborne?
Santa called in a cleanup. Mackenzie Street, Queens.
Oh, nuts. I knew that Donner Jr. hit the taco bar too hard last night. 2 words for the sleigh next year, sir. What's that? Splatter shield.
Sir, last minute change. Naughty to nice list.
Report.
Eric Andrews, he has apologized to his grandmother and moved from naughty to nice.
Well, it's about time. I mean, that was her favorite cat. Radio the sleigh. Great Lakes, sir. Touching down for a scoop of water and up again. On schedule? Oh, better every year, sir. Okay, everyone. Hold on to your eggnog. It's gonna be a while.